Hi there, I'm Sanjana from Saleshandy, and in this video, I will be explaining to you what exactly email age is. So when you create a new email account, you are vulnerable to spam filters, and email service providers, also known as ESPs, are more likely to restrict such accounts when they attempt to send too many emails from the beginning. So a spam filter is a mechanism that is used to detect unsolicited and virus-infected emails from getting into a user's inbox. This basically means that when you launch a new email campaign with a high sending volume from a new email account, email service providers may flag that as spam activity, and your emails may either land in the spam inbox or the junk folder or simply just get rejected. So, all of this affects your email deliverability in the long run because it is very difficult to recover your account once it has been flagged as spam. So, how exactly do you fix this issue? You can fix this issue by warming up your inbox to get better email deliverability for the long haul. Warming up your inbox, or an email ramp up as they call it, is a feature that is offered by Saleshandy, and that basically means sending out smaller batches of emails and then gradually increasing that number daily as per the percentage that has been set by you. So the starting quota of the number of emails to be sent is dependent on the age of your email account. So for example, we recommend 20 emails per day if your email account is only a week old. Additionally, your email service providers also play a part in the starting quota. So for Gmail users, starting quota is somewhere from 20 to 30 emails. For Microsoft users, users can begin with a much higher limit. Regardless of your ESP, you need to increase the limit gradually. So the ideal email account is 6 months for sending high email volumes, providing you with the best email deliverability rates. However, you can still consider using this email ramp up feature if your email is quite old because it helps you build and maintain a sender reputation. So let me just quickly tell you how exactly you can check your email age with Sales Handy. So just log on to your Sales Handy account as per usual. Click on settings over here and then click on email accounts and click on edit over here and then click on email health score. And as you can see over here, there is a section over here that explains your email age. So over here, you will be able to access your email age. And that's how it goes. I just wanted to mention that for this particular account, the email age is old enough to send high volumes of emails. That's why it gives you a green tick mark over here indicating that it is safe for you to send high volumes of emails. So if you don't have a green tick mark for your email age, that means your account is not old enough and you will have to use the email ramp up feature to increase your email deliverability and your sender reputation. So let me just quickly show you how exactly you can use the email ramp up feature within Sales Handy itself. So navigate to the sending setting tabs over here. And as you can see right now, for this particular account, the daily ramp up has already been turned on. So you need to key in the number of emails you want to start with over here. And then you need to key in the percentage by which you want the emails to increase by gradually. So when you're satisfied with these settings, you can click on save and your daily ramp up has successfully been activated. I hope this video helped you understand what exactly email age is and how you can use the email ramp up feature within Sales Handy. See you next time.